performance and opening song from my guest co-host Eliza Lee. Magandang afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Live from Euro TV Philippines Entertainment and YouTube channel. Once again, this is Afternoon Drive every Wednesday, 2:30 until 4 p.m. in the afternoon. My name is DJ Alvin, ang DJ Rakitero ng masa ng DJ na kahit anong gawin, single pa din. Thank you so much to the owner and founder of Euro TV Philippines Entertainment and founder of Gawad Filipino Awards, Sir Danny Mangahas. Maraming thank you. And of course, kay Direct Dave, kay Direct Brands, kay Direct Sam. Thank you so much to the management once again of Euro TV Philippines Entertainment. Mga kasikat, please don't forget to follow and like and share our official page live here at Euro TV Philippines on their Facebook page. And Afternoon Drive, please follow and like. Diba? And don't forget to comment hashtag highlight and hashtag followers para ma-notify ng mga friends of friends ang aming kaganapan ngayong araw. Today is May 28, 2025. Mag-ingat po ang lahat ng ating mga kasikat out there sa mga nagmamaneho ng kanilang mga sasakyan. Once again, this is your host. Once again, my name is DJ Alvin, ang DJ Rakitero ng masa at ang DJ na kahit anong gawin, single pa din. Take it away, Eliza.
It's the Eliza Catalan Vlog. Always smile and be kind to others. Enjoy your day! Binabati ko po ang lahat nating online viewers. One up acting Mommy Miss, Mommy Dean, and Mommy Lizelle. Thank you so much din to my parents, Oma and Apa, family, Mommy, Daddy, Tita and Tito, at sa mga cousins ko. Friends, teachers, and classmates, at sa school ko po, Our Lady Remedios College of Science and Technology. Sa dance group ko po, Taglams, Gab, Lorraine, Martina, at sa mga mommies nila. Pati po si Mami Melda at sa mga taga Jenna Trias Cavite. Ate Ayesa at Tita Amy, hello po! At syempre sa lahat mga katalent, thank you so much po!
Ayan, thank you so much, Eliza. Ang galing-galing naman ang aking guest co-host for today's video. Ako